All right, John. So this is Paul from VeriForm here. Just gonna take you to our shop here and show our bending. So I have a total of 7 press brakes. See here, bending parts here and bending parts here. This is the big one. That's the 900 ton that we're talking about here. All right, so you can see they're bending parts here. They're bending this with this material here. Requires a small V, so the tonnage is quite high. Actually, no, it's not. It's only 200 tons. But we can do 900 tons of bending by 20 foot. And over here, I've got a 350 ton by 14 foot. And also 250 ton here, 10 foot. And then you saw the 2 machines down here. And then in the other bay, I have 2 smaller machines. The 2 smaller machines might be of interest as well because they allow me to do some other special bending. They're just 4-foot machines in this bay. But anyways, gives you an idea. Now, the tooling, I mentioned I have over $1 million of tooling. This whole rack system here is all full of tooling, even urethane dies, if you need something that requires bending without marking. And you see all these blue tool boxes? All the blue tool boxes are full of tooling. So I'll just open one up here to show you. So all this is tooling here. Literally well over $1 million of press brake tooling. All right. So whatever you can dream up and design, even bending tubing, flattening tubing, we got you covered. And I'll show you, we even have here radius punches, all sorts of radius punches, all sorts of different ones here. All this tooling is here, tooling over here, tooling here. Yeah, you can see all sorts of all tooling. All right, so again, that gives you a perspective of our ability. And then here, there's cranes to handle the heavy parts that we do bend. So there's a total of 3 cranes in this bay alone. All right, John. All right. Hey, thanks. And hopefully we can do some bending for you and be one of your key suppliers for bending. Thanks, John.